Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your home address in Waze in 2026. If you move to a new location or simply want to update your saved home address, just follow these easy steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search bar. Then tap My Places to view your saved locations. Next, find your home address and tap it. Depending on your version of Waze, select Edit, Change Domain or tap the three-dot menu and choose Edit. Now, enter your new home address in the search bar. As Waze displays matching locations, select the correct address from the list. After choosing your new address, tap Save or Done to confirm the change. Your home location will now be updated and ready to use for future navigation. To make sure everything was saved correctly, return to My Places and check that your new home address is displayed. You can also tap Home to preview the route and verify that it points to the correct location. And that's it. That's how you can change your home address in Waze in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.